Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? I hope you had a good week last week. I want to show you a breakdown on how I caught a trade on gold, and the trade is still currently in profit. So by this time last week, I was analyzing the market and I saw a potential opportunity on gold. If I zoom in, you'll see that I've already taken the trade and still currently in the trade. So around this point of this session, around this point, I saw I've done this replay thing, but TradingView has not activated my subscription. So around this point, I saw like a resistance zone, and I wanted to use it for confirmations to take sales, because obviously simple under resistance you sell, above support you buy. So extending the resistance zone further, I saw that okay, it has reacted to the zone before and it's about to come and react to the zone again. So I just simply waited for a lower time frame confirmation on this zone. So I went to like the 30 minutes or 50 minutes time frame to look for something that I used to enter the trade. I think it was 50 minutes time frame. Yeah, exactly. So my favorite pattern appeared there. So I took the trade and I had a kind of a large stop loss. Why? Because I wasn't expecting the price not to do something like this. I knew this zone was kind of wide to just expect the market to just start selling from your POI directly without doing some fake outs. So I just had to give my stop loss some room to breathe. So I left above this, as you can see, above this wick here. So I gave it some distance above that wick. Then it's obviously a swing trade, so I'm holding it down to this point, and that will be about 9 hours thereabouts. So that was the first position I took on gold. So on Monday, Tuesday, I think till Wednesday, before movement started happening on FOMC fundamental news release. So what happened from Monday to Wednesday, I was just basically waiting while the market was ranging. It was kind of frustrating, but I didn't have a choice. Then I was looking out for this trend line break and retest. Honestly, I didn't expect it to happen like this, but I thought it just keep selling and keep selling. But when I saw it retracing, I just went back to have this discount and premium pricing to my Fibonacci 2. I listed on it and I saw that okay, it has retraced into premium zones. I have a video on discount and premium zones on my channel, so you can watch that video to learn what I mean by discount and premium zones if you don't have any idea what I'm saying currently. So this is my premium zone, and in this premium zone I can see that there is a trend line break and retest there. So obviously I just used like a breaker block in that zone to get another entry. That's how I got my second entry in this zone. So I used the 5 minutes time frame for that to get like the confirmation. So obviously under this zone here, another, I think it's clear around 15 minutes. So I used 5 minutes, but it was clear around 15 minutes anyway. I entered somewhere around here. Then my stop loss was actually wide on this one because it was around the break even of this trade, this initial buy. So I wasn't risking anything on this trade anymore because I had entered the risk I was risking here and now transferred it to this particular setup. Then my SL was now above, just a little bit under the break even of this trade. Then I was targeting further lows. Though I took partials on this one when it got to this liquidity. Then the rest, I kept on holding the rest at this point. But the issue now is that on my Funding Pips account, they don't allow us hold trades over the weekend. So obviously this is where all my positions will be closed out of currently. So this would be about, if I'm not mistaken, 4 hours. Then this would be about 5 5.5 hour thereabout. So let's just say I still got the 9 hour I was looking for in these two setups. But initially it would have been more than that. It would have been 9 plus 8. That would have been like 17 hour thereabout. But I don't know. We can't still tell the market will get to this particular destination, but it's just like the analysis flow state. So I took purchase on this one. Then I saw some scalping opportunities while it was still heading to those directions. So after the market gave me a break and retest out of this zone, this zone, I took a trade. As you can see, this is the setup I took. I just took a little bit scalp, about 4 hours there. Let me show you what I saw. So on the 3 minutes time frame, I saw this one. So I saw a change of character here, and I entered on this candle week. Then my stop was above here, and I started holding it down for 3 hours. Then I saw another entry here. This one was basically a order block entry. This kind of entry here. I still have a video on other blocks on my channel. So after closing out these two scalps, it was when I woke up the next morning, I saw market plummeted. And I was like, wow, if only, if only. Boy, in trading, if only does not pay the bill. So you have to be sure of what you are doing, and you have to make your decision while the market is moving. You can't make a decision after you have already closed the trade or after you have seen what happened in hindsight. So obviously, what is more consistent for me is closing out profits when I'm scalping at 3 hours thereabout. But swing trading, I can hold them longer than that, because basically swing trading has more potential to get to bigger risk to reward ratios than scalping. So I took one more trade and I lost that somewhere around here. I took one trade here and I lost that one because the market came back to onto my stop loss and started still dropping. So this was the one I lost. Then I took another one here, and this one would definitely close somewhere here because of weekend holding. So these are the trades I took on gold this week. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 trades, and I won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I lost 1. I won 5, lost 1. That's about, if I'm not mistaken, 85% accuracy. Well, if you want to learn how I call the market and get this accurate, you can hit the link in my description box to reach out to me. And if you want to follow my social media platforms, links are also in my description box. I'm very active on Snapchat, and if you want to add me there, just send a DM to my Telegram or check on my Instagram. Just find a way to reach me, and I'll be sure to reply and respond when necessary. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you learned a thing or two on this video, and I hope you have a good trading week next week. God bless you and stay safe.